Hi friends, as always, thank you for coming to my channel. If you've been thinking about getting to custom tumblers or upgrading your heat press setup, this video is for you. Today I'm unboxing and testing the HTVRONT A200 Tumbler Press to see how well it performs and whether it's beginner friendly. So if you're curious about the setup, the process, and the final results, let's jump in. Okay, now we are on to the next thing. And I partner with HTVRONT for their auto tumbler press. It's a new one. They have one now. You can do a 40 ounce. So this one is for the 40 ounce, which is this type of tumbler. And then they also, I'm sure it's inside the box, have for the 20 ounce tumbler, which is this here. So this is the 20 ounce, this is for 40 ounce, this is a 40 ounce. So you're gonna look and see what we have here. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and open this. This is my first time opening this box. So we're gonna see what goodies we have inside. All right. Hope you all can see here. All right. So we have here some heat resistant tape. Then we have, I'm sure these are probably instructions inside. We have some heat gloves. They are very huge. My hand is like, wow. It's okay though. I do have some other heat gloves that's more my size. But woo, that's big. But it's always good to have extra. Then we have some silicone pads, which this one is thick and this one is a little lightweight. But I'm sure it goes over your tumblers when you put inside the heat machine. All right, and then inside we have our heat machine. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this down so that I can take it out. So bear with me as I do that. It's a little heavy, but nothing I can't handle. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. Oh, it feels like it's lightweight itself. Do not judge me, okay? I'm gonna make you do what you do. I'm just working with a tight space right here because I have a weak crate over there, so it's taking up some of my space. So, if you're laughing at me, it's okay. I'm laughing inside too, but I'm really like not laughing inside. We're gonna get this bad boy out. Bring it to the surface. We're gonna leave it right there. Here we go. Ta-da! Oh, we have a nice powder blue. This is cool. Nice. Nice. It's a nice powder blue color. I will bring the camera closer so you can see. But this is what it looks like. Very nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. And we have a little function. Here's our plug. Make sure there's no other little gadgets inside. And then I'm just gonna bring this camera up closer so you can see. Okay, so I brought it up closer so you can see. We have all these different functions here. And then also on the side, we have where the 20 ounce is already inside. So we just pull this little gadget here. Let me back it up. Let me just make sure. So we just pull it just like this for it to come out. And we know that this is a 20 ounce because they have it here for us. And it shows us right here that it's a 20 ounce. So I'm just going to put this back in. And Just lock it in place. Okay, babe, lock it in place. Okay, let me make sure I got everything lined up. There we go. It's in there. All right, now I'm going to turn it back around because now I have to plug it up. But before we do so, let me just bring the camera up a little closer so you all can see it. Friends, I don't know what happened here. I thought I had turned it on and then show you the settings, but somehow or another I missed it, then add it. I don't know what happened. But anyway, right here, you just see me getting ready to tape the 20-ounce tumbler. And I'm starting off by putting this tape on the end. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I find the best tape is the clear heat tape or the blue one. I do not like this yellow clear tape, but that was all I had for right now. So I'm going to go ahead and use it. But I promise you, the clear tape or the blue tape is the better heat tape, but only had the yellow tape, so I had to use what I had for now. But you best believe I have that clear and blue tape on deck now. Anywho, so I'm just wrapping it here. I'm taking it and try to make sure I tighten it. You want to make sure that it's very, very tight because we don't want any ghosting. However, for me, somehow or another, I seem to never escape it. But I'm going to, go ahead and tape this down, make sure it was very tight, and I'm going to tape the mess out of this. Yes, I'm utilizing this tape. I'm taping. And you want to hold it down as you go along because you want to make sure that you have no ghosting. So we want to make sure we tape it fully down. So that's what you're going to see going forward, me just taking a whole bunch of tape and taping this bad boy up. If you want the blue or clear tape, the description is below. Okay, I went ahead and preheated the tumbler press. So if you see below, I did 390 for the heat, 320 for the time, and 155 for the pressure. So I wanted to make sure that I had it hot enough. So I went ahead and did that. And as you can see, I'm making sure I'm putting extra tape to be extra cautious. You want to make sure you get those sides and everything. Secure it as much as possible. Okay, now I'm prepping it, about to put it into the tumbler press. So I'm using the silicone sheet. This is the thin one. And I'm rolling it into that so that I can put it into the machine. And just sliding it through. However, I think I put it through the wrong way, but it still worked. I think I was supposed to put it through the other side. But it's all good. It still fit and it worked. Teehee. And I just pressed that little R button right there that turned green, and it went ahead and started pressing. As you can see, it's doing its countdown, and we're gonna see how it turns out. Okay, I took it out, so let's see. We're gonna let it cool for a second. As you can see, I put it on fitted gloves that I had, the heat resistant heated gloves that I had. Now look, you see it through you see the print through it, right? That's a good sign. That means that it took. Drum roll, please. Okay, my dog wanted to interact too. I apologize. Whew, the struggle of getting this tape off. Man, that was something. Ooh, look at that. That looks nice. Yes, okay, we got a little ghosting at the bottom. It's okay. It still looks good. And see what I mean with that yellow tape? Ugh. Mess. But anywho, I got some ghosting at the bottom. I gotta fix that. But other than that, I like it. It came out really nice. That tumbler press is the truth. And honestly, I may not even have to use the silicone to put it in there. Just let it go straight in there without that, and let the heat just absorb it. Just absorb. Now this one right here is for the big tumbler. I did one for the big tumbler too. I didn't show myself wrapping that one. That was a task. I think for now I'm going to hold off on the 40-ounce tumblers just because it's a lot of work. Now this time I put the tumbler in the right way. But I don't know how I feel about doing a 40-ounce tumbler. It has nothing to do with the heat press. It's just me personally. I don't do sublimation tumblers as often. So it's like a little... Okay, friends. I jacked this this 40 ounce tumbler all the way up. It's a no for me with this 40 ounce. I am still rusty with sublimation, so I have to play around with the 40 ounce and see what's going on. What did I do wrong? Well, I know some things I did wrong, but like, whoo, this is a jacked up. However, the 20 ounce, not bad. I mean, some ghosting, but you know, just I know where I went wrong there. I need to do it a little tighter, but other than that, this is good. But this, I jacked that all the way up. So I'm gonna have to play around with the 40 ounce a little bit more, but 20 ounce, we gonna get that right. But it's not bad. Not bad at all. Look at that. Not bad. Not too bad. I mean, it's bad, but not bad. It's okay. Okay? Awesome. But this right here is cool. The HTVRONT A200, I believe it is. If you would like to get this, go in the description below. Go ahead and use that discount code and get this. I promise you, you will love it. You can make a lot of tumblers. And listen, guys, you can sell a lot of those. Like, people love tumblers. When I do events, tumblers and journals, people love. So you can never go wrong. All right? So go ahead and get you one of these bad boys. Thank you for watching this video. Until next time, bye-bye.